Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy's Computer Science Channel for unlimited learning. In this particular session, I am going to talk about tree data structure and very specifically binary search tree. This is one of the most important topic of your entire tree data structure and in fact entire data structure subject, just because so many questions have been asked from this particular topic and expectations are also there that so many questions will be asked from this particular topic. So what we will discuss today in this binary search tree chapter. So in this particular today's session, we are going to talk about how to search in BST. We will see a basic thing. Then based on that, we will see if a searching sequence is given for BST, if that searching sequence is valid or not. Then we will see insertion in BST, and based on that, we will see some questions. And those questions will definitely teach you a lot in terms of your understanding and learning of data structure, specifically BST. So don't go away, just watch the lecture till the end, just because each and every question will be very peculiar from this particular subject, this particular topic, and it will teach you a lot in terms of your learning. Before we start the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep and I have written the GATE exam multiple times in computer science. My ranks are 19, 119, 440, 682, and there are few more ranks. I went for my masters to IISc Bangalore. Another masters I have done from BITS Pilani in data science to learn the trending techniques and technologies. A rich experience in teaching, and these are the courses which I am teaching on Unacademy's platform. If you guys are seeking for a quality education, then this particular channel is one and all package for you guys. If you are preparing for your placement, data structure course and placement training we are having for you guys. If you are seeking for your semester exam preparation, this channel is having almost all the basic courses of your semester exams also. Second, if you are preparing for GATE exam, of course you will be having a really great quality education on this particular channel. Really great quality content you will be getting for all the subjects. Plus, if you are preparing for your interviews in the machine learning and data science, then machine learning classes also we are conducting on the same channel. So you can get one in all Unacademy Computer Science Channel as your computer science solution. If you are seeking for more free content, then on Unacademy's platform you can get more free content. Go to unacademy.com or download the Unacademy's learner app and follow my profile. Once you follow my profile, then to unlock my free special classes, you need to use the code VDEEP10. If you use this particular code, my free classes will be unlocked for you. And what these classes are called as special classes. These special classes I conduct as live classes also, so you can get over there, you can talk to me over there, you can have more interactive classes on Unacademy's platform. Apart from that, you can listen all my previously taken special classes in recorded mode. What I have taught on Unacademy's platform in the special classes, so many things. I have taught MSQ type of questions and their practice. I have taught so many topics. I have solved so many questions. I have solved previous year GATE questions. I have given some revision sessions also. So lots of contents are available on special classes. Go and check it out. You will be able to get lot learning. And if you want to have my all the special classes in the organized way as the playlist, then you can go to this URL. This URL will have a web page. Over there I have organized all my previously taken special classes in more organized appropriate way. Check it out once. Okay, and then if you want to go for any test series, this is the free test series for you guys. Go and check it out. This particular test series is having so many questions. Enroll for it and write the test. Quality questions you will be getting, plus you will be getting a lot of content which is absolutely free over there. If you are preparing for GATE and if your aim is to have the highest level of preparation, why it is needed? Just because GATE is really really different than what a person can expect. Until you write, you can't predict it. So we have written the gate exam and we know that how you can target the gate exam so that you will get maximum marks with even minimum efforts too. 60% syllabus is going to be asked as 80% marks in the gate exam, but until you cover the syllabus in more elaborated way, more explanatory way, you cannot get the perfect rank. To get the perfect rank, we are having one option for you guys, and which is this one, Unacademy Plus subscription. This particular Unacademy Plus subscription will give you live classes which are very interactive, so that you can learn in more interactive manner, and more questions, more doubts you can ask, so that your every single doubt will be cleared, every aspect of your topic will be covered. You will be getting weekly tests so that you can assess if you have learned something, can you apply the learning over problem solving or not. If not, what kind of mistakes you are making, those you can rectify slowly, and you can improve in your problem solving too. Apart from that, there will be some DPP sessions and so many practice questions will be giving you, so that you will be having so many questions and so many practice sets, so that you can solve the questions with the ease in the gate exam too. This Unacademy Plus subscription comes in 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 6 months, and 3 months and 1 month package. And all these packages are available with the discount if you use the code VDEEP10. This particular code will unlock multiple things for you. What? One thing, it will give you discount of minimum 10%. Second thing, it will give you my mentorship. A person who has written the gate exam multiple times can help you in your preparation a lot. Third thing, this particular code will unlock a connection from you to my team. What is the team? My team is having 7 educators now, and all 7 educators will teach you for your gate preparation. So if you want to have a connection of your preparation to my team's effort, then you use this particular code VDEEP10. This particular code is the symbol of very deep connection of your preparation to my team's effort. If you are the person who don't want to take the headache of planning and making the strategy by yourself, then you can go for Iconic subscription. This Iconic subscription has all the facilities of Unacademy Plus and extra facility of having personal coach. What this personal coach can give you? Personal coach will give you preparation strategy. So you don't have to prepare any kind of strategy. The personal coach, the expert, will give you the strategy that you need to do this way, that way, and hence definitely you will be having really great preparation. This personal coach will give you study planning, will give you study booster session, personalized test analysis, so that if you don't get good marks or highest marks in every test, then the person, the expert, the coach will help you in the same, that why you are getting less marks, and in-depth analysis of the test will be done, so that you can understand what's your problem and you can improve that problem for the future sessions. Ultimately, you will be getting specialized notes and practice sets also in this Iconic subscription. This Iconic subscription also comes as the discount if you use the code VDEEP10, and this particular code will unlock again so many benefits. If you understand the meaning of actual preparation, definitely you will select one of the subscription and you will go for that particular subscription as soon as possible, just because if you start early, you will not have to work for more than 18 hours or 20 hours at the end of the exam or near the exam, and ultimately your normal preparation also can give you a really good rank. Think wisely, take the decision early as soon as possible, so that your preparation can be as best as possible in the really good amount of time. Now I want everybody's confirmation that if everybody is ready, then we are going to solve so many good things today. We are going to learn so many good things today. आज आप लोग बहुत कुछ सीखने वाले हैं, and I can bet on this particular thing. I can assure you this particular thing, that at least 2 questions we will solve today in such a way that you have never seen those kind of solutions before. So give me confirmation that you are ready or not. Give me your energy. give me your motivation so that I can teach you and so that we can have a good environment of learning. So if you are ready, if you are ready, first of all, if you haven't liked the session, please session को like कर दीजिए, please like the session and let's get started. So first of all, let's see what exactly we have seen till now. अभी तक क्या पढ़ा हमने? अभी तक पढ़ा हमने, we have seen basics of binary tree and basics of the tree, lots of small things we have seen about the tree. Then we have seen traversals, three types of basic traversals, then converse order traversal. Then we have seen construction of the tree using traversals and multiple such questions we have solved. Then I have given you recursion on the tree, and if you remember, I told at that time also this recursion on tree is very important for your grade level interviews. बहुत important है, इंटरव्यू में इससे बहुत क्वेश्चन आते हैं. चलिए, great, so many people are so much enthusiastic. I am also energetic. Let's have the session, best session for your learning. Full and complete and expression tree also we have seen. Full binary tree, complete binary tree, expression tree, and lots of other things we have seen in this tree chapter. Now we are going to start the binary search tree. This is the basic definition of BST. Binary search tree is a binary tree whose internal nodes, for each internal node, each store a key greater than all the keys in the left subtree and less than all the right subtree. Means the node will have some kind of key through which this left subtree, entire left subtree, should have lesser value than the node, means node should be greater value, and the right subtree should have all the greater values than the node. So greater values in the right side, left side lesser values. Fine. Now if you understood this, I am talking about, look at this term, left subtree and right subtree. I am not talking about left and right child. मैं left और right child की बात नहीं कर रहा. I am talking about left subtree and right subtree. Entire subtree I am talking about. So I will be giving you some examples of the tree. You need to confirm that these trees are binary search trees or not. So you need to type down and confirm me that this is binary search tree or not. Okay, quickly we will be having so many examples in the same tree. Okay, so is this a binary search tree? Yes. Single node, no left right, there is no any problem. Is this a binary search tree? Yes sir. Is this a binary search tree? Tell me, is this a binary search tree? Yes. Left subtree lesser values, right subtree greater values than the node. Fine, no problem. Is this a binary search tree? Yes. 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 Is this a binary search tree? No sir. No. Why not? Why not? Look at this. You told lesser values in the left. Yes, lesser value 40 in the left of 60. There is no any problem, sir. There is a problem, sir. I told entire right subtree should have greater value than 50. Greater value than 50. Do we have this entire right subtree having greater values than 50? No. 40 is lesser than 50, and then too it is placed in the right subtree of 50. It's wrong. It is wrong. So I hope you guys are getting this idea कि why I have said left subtree and right subtree, not the children. समझ में आई ये बात आपको? समझ में अगर आ गई है तो let's get back to the idea again. So I was talking about this कि this particular subtree is, or this particular tree is not a BST. Why? Just because this 40 is in right subtree of 50, which is wrong based on the BST, not a BST. Right? You got this definition. Okay, so if you got this definition, let's go and let's check it out, this particular thing, how we search into binary search tree. But before we go for binary search tree, I would like to give you one story. एक स्टोरी सुनाना चाहता हूं मैं नानी दादी का स्टोरी नहीं है जिसमें कोई प्रिंस और प्रिंसेस आएंगी, हीरो आएगा और कोई लड़ाई होगी. दैट स्टोरी इज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर स्टोरी. द स्टोरी इज ऑफ इन्वेंटिंग द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर फॉर सर्चिंग. दैट स्टोरी इज फॉर सर्चिंग. सो आई वुड लाइक टू हैव वन स्टोरी फॉर यू गाइज. ओके, सो look at this. Why binary search tree? Why this particular binary search tree has been invented? इसका invention हुआ क्यों? Before this BST, we have seen, before this binary search tree, we have seen searching in two types of data structures. What are the two data structures? We have seen searching in array and we have seen searching in linked list. So we have seen searching in these two data structures. One is in array and second one is in linked list. इन दोनों में हमने सर्चिंग देखी. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं कि array में, in the array, what kind of searching you can have? What kind of searching you can have in the array? Array में आपके पास दो टाइप की सर्चिंग होती है. You have two types of searching in the array. One is linear search and another one is binary search. You remember that? आपको पता है. And in the linked list you have only single type of searching which is linear search. You don't apply binary search over there. Yep, yes, yep, yes. Now your answers are needed. What is the complexity of searching an element in the linear search? In the linear search, if you are applying linear search algorithm, what is the complexity of searching an element in an array of n elements? Complexity is big O of n. Good, Satyam, nice. And what is the complexity of searching in binary tree or binary? What is the complexity of binary search in array? Complexity of binary search in array is big O of log n. And what is the searching in the linear search in linked list? Big O of n. Right? चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. गुड, नाइस, अमेजिंग. ओहो, बहुत सारे लोग, इतने सारे जवाब. सुपर, गुड, नाइस पार्टिसिपेशन. नाउ लिसन, we can have linear search. We can have linear search with big O of n. We can have good complexity of log n in the binary search, but for that we have a prerequisite. What is the pre-requirement? Requirement is the array should be sorted. To keep the array sorted, we need insertion and deletion. We need what? Insertion and deletion. And to maintain the sorted array, insertion and deletion's complexity will be not log n but big O of n. Insertion and deletion in a sorted array will take how much time? Will take big O of n time. अब ये कैसे कह दिया मैंने? We need to maintain the sorted sequence. If you are inserting an element in the already sorted array, we need to find out that at which place you can place it. And after that, remaining elements you need to shift back so that you can insert an element over there. So if you are applying the binary search algorithm on the array for searching, of course complexity can be big O of n, but big O of log n, but array should be sorted, and to maintain the sorted array we need insertion and deletion, and insertion deletion की complexity आ गई big O of n. अब मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर मीम की याद आ रही है, जिसमें एक पर्सन है जो इस तरीके से खड़ा है. Right, there is a Pakistani, I should say, I guess, cricketing fan. His reaction got viral और बहुत जगह वो वायरल हो गया. ये ऐसा मीम इसलिए सोच रहा हूं मैं, हम तो सोच रहे थे कि log n complexity आएगी. I was thinking about this कि I will get log n complexity, but insertion deletion got even worse, big O of n. So scientists have thought कि if I want to have login search complexity in the array, then we should have insertion deletion which is costly, big O of n. Now, what happens in that case? If suppose we can invent a particular data structure in which searching, insertion and deletion, all three can be done in log n time, then that data structure can help us a lot in terms of saving a time, and hence they have given this binary search tree data structure. So this binary search tree was given in the intention with the intention that we should have the complexity of searching, insertion and deletion all in log n time. I hope you guys are understanding. If you are understanding, keep saying something, yes, no, anything, so that I can understand that you guys are learning properly. Your learning is important for us, and that is why we are conducting quality classes here. So binary search tree was invented because we wanted to have a particular data structure in which insertion, deletion and searching can be done in what? Done in what? Log n time. Okay, got it? Fine. Okay, so I am saying this कि BST invented with intention to have searching, then insertion and deletion in how much time? In big O of log n time. We will see later that we were able to achieve this particular time or not. That we will see later. But अभी इतना अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो इतना काफी है. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's see further. Fine. So let's talk about searching in binary search tree. Very easy, very simple. Let's see how we can perform searching. For that, I will take one particular BST का example. Suppose this is the BST given. Can you confirm, is this a BST or not? Is this a BST or not? Can you confirm? Somebody please confirm that, is this a BST or not? Okay, now suppose in this particular BST we want to search an element which is, let's say 90 or let's say 60. थोड़ा नजदीक का लेते हैं 20, 40 ले लेते हैं, चलो ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. 40, let's say 40. Yes, BST. Okay, now let's say we are searching 40. First of all आप बोलोगे सर ये रहा 40. अरे ऐसे डायरेक्टली दिखता थोड़ी है 40, है ना? मिल गया सर 40, थप्पा नहीं करना है उसको. Now listen, in the tree you have been given a pointer to the root. Given, fine, a pointer to the root given. Now what you need to do is, you need to check out that the element which you are searching is present on the root. No, not present on the root. Now you need to check out the element which you are searching is lesser than root element or greater than root element. If it is lesser than root element, then it can be present only in left subtree. Just because BST definition, we know all the smaller values are in the left subtree, right? So if the value 40 is lesser than 50, we will search in the left subtree. If value to search is greater than 50, we will go towards right side. So 40 is less than 50, we will go towards left. If we will go towards left, then we will come here. My pointer is now pointing to this node. Now from 30, we will check 30 is equal to 40. No. Then let's see 40 can come in the left or right of 30. 40 is greater than 30, so we will go towards right. 40 is equal to 40. Yes. We got the element here. Yes, we got the element here. We will return the node's address. Whatever the node is present here, its address we will return. So we will say, yes, we got the element on this particular node, and here it is the address of that node. Okay, now, just I am asking a very simple question. You searched 40 from root. What are the values you compared with 40? Starting from root, what values you have compared with 40, and in what sequence? In what sequence, and what are the values you have compared with 40? Can you type down? So you have compared first, to search 40, you have compared first root element 50 with 40. Then you have compared 30 with 40. Then you have compared 40. And that's it. Your searching stopped. This particular sequence in which you have searched, or you have actually compared the element 40, given element 40 in the BST, this particular sequence we will call as searching sequence. What we will call as searching sequence. चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया, शानदार, amazing. Now, see, I am going little slow. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम अच्छे से सीखेंगे. Now, if we are searching, suppose an element 67, can you tell me what should be the searching sequence? To search 67, we will compare first root. 67 is greater than root, we go towards right. In the right, we have compared 80. 80 say 67 is lesser, we go towards left. Then 60, compare 60. 60 say 67 is greater, you go towards right. Then 65. From 65 you go towards right, and then 67. This is the searching sequence for 67. Got it? अरे समझा कि नहीं रे बाबा, जल्दी बताने का. चलिए, हा क्या बात है, ऐसे धाड़ शूट हो रहे हैं. सुपर, अरे शानदार. Now, if suppose I am trying to search an element, 32. Can you tell me what will be the searching sequence? So for 32, you will first compare the element 50. 50 to 32 is lesser, so go towards left. 30. From 30, 32 is greater, so go towards right. 40. 40 say 32 is lesser, go towards left. 35. Then from 35, 32 should be lesser, go towards left. Left is nothing, null, element is not present. Yes, correct. So from 40 you will go towards 35 also, and from 35 you can say element not found. This particular element not found case is known as unsuccessful search. But I am asking a simple question to you. Whether you have a search successful, means element present, or unsuccessful, element not present, you will definitely compare elements. Yes sir, हाँ, compare तो करना पड़ेगा. If you are comparing the elements, then will you have a searching sequence? हाँ, सर्च करके अगर कंपेयर कर रहे हो तो सीक्वेंस तो मिलेगी. Searching sequence will be there, definitely will be there. So whether the element is present or not present, whether the search is successful or not successful, unsuccessful, you will definitely have a searching sequence. Yes, you will definitely have a searching sequence. Got it? Understood what I actually wanted to tell you? Searching sequence will be present for every element in the BST, whether the element is present in BST or not. If it is present, then we will have end result is successful search, but searching sequence will be there. If searching is unsuccessful, then to end result will be unsuccessful, but still searching sequence will be there. चलिए, अब अलग अलग जो सर्चिंग सीक्वेंस हमने बनाई, whatever the different searching sequence we have created, all those searching sequence we will see in more detail. Why? आगे की चीजें उस पर डिपेंड करती ना रे. Okay, now what I am saying is, if searching sequence for 40, right, I am searching for 40, and you have seen a part of your BST. First of all, you have compared 50, then from there you have gone towards left 30, then from there you have gone towards right 40. This is the searching sequence 50, 30, 40, right? For searching next 67, I guess, search for 67, you have first compared the element 50, from there right side 80 say left side you have gone for 60, from 60 you have gone towards right 65, from there you have gone towards right 67, and ultimately the last one for 32, search for 32. We will start searching from 50, then 30, then 40, I guess from left side 35, and then from there nothing. This was the tree. Correct? This is the sequence in which you have searched the elements. I have gone for 40, 67, 32, separate. I am just telling you one thing. This particular whatever subtree I have drawn in front of you, this particular subtree is actually part of your BST. This one, उसी का ही part है ना. Some nodes only you have taken, but part of BST, yes or no? Part of BST, yes or no? Yes. If it is the part of BST, then it should satisfy the property of BST. Yes, means left subtree smaller values, right subtree greater values. This property should be satisfied. Yes. So can I say this particular search path tree, what I am calling it as search path tree, this particular search path tree is a BST? Yes. Similarly, this particular search path tree also, it's a path we are following to search an element 67. This particular search path tree also is a BST, yes. And this particular search path tree also is a BST, yes. अमीबा की याद आ गई मेरे को. जब स्कूल में अमीबा होते थे ना, बनाते थे, फिर टक 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 करते थे उसको फिल करने के. Right? So what I actually wanted to explain you, कि if any search path tree is given like this way, that search path tree you have taken from original BST only, then definitely that search path tree should be a BST. Yes. Now what exactly I wanted to explain you using this search path tree is, the people from IIT are very intelligent. Those are very smart people. They will not give you this tree and will say कि 67 के search के लिए you calculate or you get the searching sequence. ना. They will not give you the tree and they will ask you what is the searching sequence for 67. No, they will only give you a searching sequence. They will only give you a searching sequence and will ask you कि this searching sequence is correct or not for searching this element. This searching sequence is correct or not for the given searching element. Now you need to identify that which particular sequence is valid for searching in BST and which one is not, by looking only what sequence देख के ही you need to just check it out. Now I will give you two examples. Those two examples will help you to understand what kind of searching or what kind of checking you will be doing to check that or to identify that the given sequence is valid or not. Okay, correct. चलिए, तो एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने लिया, example number 1. This particular example number 1 I will explain you for first type of checking. Okay, let me take first example. After that I will tell you ki what this example is teaching you. So suppose you are trying to search an element 50 and the sequence given is this. This is the searching sequence. Now we will try to identify that this particular sequence is correct sequence or not. It's very simple thing. You have encountered 80. First we have searched 50 and first element is 80. 80 if the first element, it's a root. 50 should be in the left of 80 or right of 80? Left or right? 80 is from 80, 50 should be in the left or right? Left. If from 80 you are going towards left, then next key which you will be getting should be lesser than 80. Yes, we have gone towards left, choti value mil gayi. Correct. We are going into the correct direction. From 40 to search 50, we should go towards right direction. अब आप intelligent हो, समझ सकते हो, you are intelligent enough to understand this, that 50 is greater than 40, we should go towards right. Gone. In the right we will get greater value than 40. Fine, no problem at all. Till then, no problem. From 45, 50 is greater. We should go towards right. Yes, we have gone towards right, greater value. From 70, 50 is lesser. We should go towards left. 50 is lesser than 70. We should go towards left. Means next key should be lesser than 70. Next key should be lesser than 70. Wrong. Here the sequence is having greater than 70 value, means we have gone into wrong direction or we have put the wrong value in the wrong direction. Understanding? So from 70 to search 50, kidhar jaoge? Left mein. Why? Just because 50 is lesser than 70, so whatever the value next should be there in your sequence should be lesser than 70, but here is the wrong value. Because of that, sequence is wrong. So this particular sequence is wrong. Why? Just because direction. So first thing we have checked for the direction, if the direction is correct or not. Second thing we will check, example number 2 we will check for the other thing, which is a BST thing. I will explain you. रुको तो सही, अरे रुकिए तो सही सर, आप आगे हाथ बढ़ाएं तो सही, हम सिखाएंगे, बिल्कुल सिखाएंगे. I told you in the start of the lecture that I will explain you few things in such a way that you might have never encountered such kind of thing. Okay, now second, look at this, searching 50 sequence. Okay, now this is the sequence given. 80, from 80, 50 is lesser, go towards left, smaller value. Fine, no problem. From 40, say 50 is greater, go towards right, greater value. Fine. 45 say 50 is greater, yes, go towards right. So next value should be greater than 45, 70. From 70, 50 is lesser value, go towards left side, yes, left side. 35, smaller value. From 35, 50 is greater value, go towards right, got 50. So direction is fine. Direction is fine, but let's check about one more thing which I have told you here. Ki this search path tree, whichever you have drawn, that should be a BST. वो BST होना चाहिए. Let's draw the search path tree for this one. Let's draw search path tree for this one. Let's draw. So first of all, 80. From 80, left side 40, राइट साइड 45, 45 के राइट में 70, फ्रॉम 70 लेफ्ट साइड 35 एंड फ्रॉम 35 राइट साइड इज 50. दिस इज द सर्च पाथ ट्री. Now you just detect or just analyze, is this tree a binary search tree? Is this a binary search tree? If yes, then sequence is valid, otherwise wrong. Check out if the search path tree is BST or not. BST or not? Batao. 80, every value is in the left side of 80. Yes, so every value should be lesser than 80. No problem. Then 40, 40k, every value is in the right subtree of 40. Every value should be greater than 40. Every value should be greater than 40. Every value should be greater than 40. Is the every value greater than 40? No. सारी values greater than 40 नहीं है. Look at this particular 35. 35 is in the right subtree of 40. 40 की right subtree में आ गया. 40 के right subtree में आ गया 35, which is not correct based on my BST definition, means this is also wrong. Got it? Got it? Understood that? Don't worry. अभी सिर्फ मैंने रूल बताए हैं. This particular is the direction rule. This particular rule which I have checked for this particular search path tree. The path tree is BST. This is not a BST. This is not a BST. Why? Just because 35 is in the right of 40, hence this particular given sequence is wrong. So that's how you are going to identify valid, invalid searching sequence. Okay, we will have a question. We will have a question, and based on this particular question, we are going to understand all these rules and their small points slowly. Okay, once BST is done, we will do AVL tree, then we will go for graph, then we will go for hashing. 1.5 week at most 1.5 week it will take to finish this particular course. Next week up to Friday mostly it will be done. So mid-month December this particular course will be over. Okay, now identify the correct or wrong sequence for searching 80. Let's check it out. एक काम करते हैं, directly we will draw this particular tree directly. Okay, I will explain, don't worry about it. First of all, you are searching 80. Let's go with this one. Okay, so there should be an error here. Okay, I haven't changed it. It should be 79 and 82. Now listen. First of all, value 9. So I am checking for the option A. For option A, value is 9. From 9 to search 80, you should go towards right. Why? 80 is greater than 9. Fine. So you go towards right means next value should be greater than 9. Fine. It is there. From 120 to search 80, you should go towards left. 80 is lesser. Left. Next value should be lesser than 120. Fine. 12. No problem. From 12 to search 80, you should go towards right. 80 is greater than 12. You should go towards right. Yes, we are going towards right. And next value we are getting greater than 12. Fine. 58 say we will search 80 into the right side. So next value should be greater than 58. Yes, it is greater than 58. 88. From 88, 80 is lesser. Go towards left. 81 is the less value than 88. Fine. No problem. Now 86. From 86, which side you should go? Sorry, from 81. From 81, which side you should go towards so that you can search 80? To search 80, which side you should go so that you can search 80 from 81. 81 से 80 किधर आएगा? left side. 80 is lesser than 81. Yes, you should go towards left side. If you are going towards left side, which value you are getting? 86. ये तो गलत हो गया. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Just because 86 cannot be in the left of 81. गलत हो गया. अरे गलत हो गया. गलत हो गया. गलत हो गया. गलत हो गया. Wrong. So this particular sequence is wrong. A option gone wrong. It's not a valid sequence. Why we have taken it wrong? We are going into the left side direction and next value is greater than 81. Left side 81 से greater value नहीं हो सकती. Not valid. अरे समझा कि नहीं समझा रे बाबा? अरे समझा कि नहीं रे? चलिए ऑप्शन बी. लेट्स चेक आउट फॉर ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी के लिए चेक करते हैं. थोड़ा ऊपर ले लेते हैं, जगह कम पड़ती है यहां पे. 198 फर्स्ट. फ्रॉम 198 विच साइड यू विल गो, लेफ्ट और राइट? विच साइड यू विल गो, लेफ्ट और राइट? टू सर्च 80, लेफ्ट. देन 47. 47 से which side you will go, left or right? To search 80. 80 is greater than 47, so you will go towards right. Okay, fine. Let's go towards right. In the right side you will get greater than 47 value. Yes, we are getting 111. From 111, which side you will be going to search 80? Left side. This one. Smaller value, fine, no problem. From 58 to search 80, you will go towards right. Greater value than 58 expected. Yes, getting it. 71. From 71, 80 should be in the right. Go towards right. 90. 90 say 80 should be in the left. Go towards left. 65. No problem. From 65, 80 should be in the right. Go towards right. Greater value expected. 75. From 75, 80 is which side? Right side. You are going right side. You are expecting greater value than 75, but you are having lesser value. Wrong है भाई, wrong है, गलत है. B is wrong. B is wrong. B is wrong. B is wrong. There are multiple reasons through which I can say B is wrong. ये देखो, एक तो 75 के राइट में 54. In the right side of 75, 54. Wrong. Then in the right side of 71, 65. That is also wrong. Multiple reasons to say wrong. ये तो गलत है भाई, गलत है आपके लिए. Wrong, wrong, wrong. एकदम कट्टस कट्टस कट्टस. Right? Now next thing, let's go for option C. Option C check करते हैं. Option C में मैंने values change की है 79 and 82. Okay, I am having some space here. Option C, first of all 15. First of all 15. So let's go with the 15. Next is 33. So 15, from 15, 80 should be in the right side. So 33, no problem. Next, from 33, next 80 is greater. So you would go towards right side. 46. Now 46, from 46, 80 is greater. You should go towards right side. Right side you are getting value 109, which is fine. From 109, 80 is lesser. Go towards left. Left 94. From 94, 80 is lesser. Go towards left. Next value is 79. From 79, next value should be which side? Right side. 80 is greater. Go towards right. Next value is 80. Then nothing, means unsuccessful search. Is this particular sequence correct? Is this particular sequence correct? चलिए जल्दी बताएं, क्या ये sequence correct है या नहीं? This particular sequence is correct or not? Yes, ये correct दिख रहा है direction के according. Let's see if this is a BST. 15, all the values are greater. 33, all the values are greater. 46 से greater. 109 lesser. 94 lesser values. 79 greater values. Yes, C option is correct. C option is correct. This is a valid sequence. Yes, this is a valid sequence. Now let's go for the next one. D के लिए check करते हैं. First of all 17, then 37. Okay, so option D let's check out. First of all 17. From 17 to search 80, you will go towards right. 37. From 37 to search To search 80, you go towards right side once again, which is 49. From 49 to search 80, you go towards right side 117. From 117 to search 80, you will go towards left, which is 96. 96 say left side again, which is 85. No problem. Till now, there is no any problem of direction. From 85 left side, we should go 15. Then from 15, we should go towards right side 56. From 56, we should go towards right side 80. Directions are correct. Directions are correct. Now, check out that is this a BST or not. Here is the 17. Every value should be greater than 17 just because every value is in the right side. Every value is in the right side of 17. If every value is in the right side of 17, every value should be greater than 17. It's not. ना 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 15 आ गया, ये तो छोटू हो गया. छोटा वैल्यू कहीं छुप के बैठा है. 15 is in the right side of 17 and it is not greater than 17, means D sequence is also wrong. Cross. Gone wrong. E option. Let's check out E option. Last one for this particular question. E option. E option says 20. From 20, 80 is greater. So we will go towards right side. Then we have 40. From 40, 80 is greater. Go towards right side. Next value is 90. Then from 19, 80 is lesser. So you should go towards left side. 48. From 48, 80 is greater, go towards right side, which is 68. From 68, 80 is greater, go towards right side, which is 79. And then from 79, right side 81. Now you check out. Check out. Direction is fine? Yes, direction is fine. Is this a valid BST? Is this a valid BST? 20 say all greater values. 40 say all smaller greater values. 90 in the left we are having all the values means lesser values. 48 say greater values. 68 say greater values. 79 greater values. Yes, fine. This is a BST. अरे ये तो BST यार. E वाला option BST क्यों नहीं है? E वाला option BST क्यों नहीं? मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया यार. मेरे नहीं समझ में आया E option BST क्यों नहीं है? BST है BST. बिल्कुल है, करेक्ट है. Just check out once if I am making a mistake. If I am making a mistake, E is valid or not. Just check it out. Just check it out if E is valid or not. अब मैं बताऊंगा आपको एक स्पेशल रामबाण मतलब कैसे इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करना है गेट में सो दैट यू कैन सेव द टाइम. अभी देखो ऐसे 4 ऑप्शंस दे रखे होते बड़ी बड़ी वैल्यूज के साथ में. देयर इज अ गेट क्वेश्चन इन विच द वैल्यूज आर गिवन इन 3 डिजिट्स. सारी वैल्यूज 3 डिजिट्स की है, बड़ी बड़ी वैल्यूज 100 200 500 600 समथिंग. देन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वे यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन इन द लेस टाइम एंड हेंस यू विल वेस्ट लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड दैट इज व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इन द गेट एग्जाम. I will tell you now a short trick, a particular trick through which you will learn how to solve such questions in the less time. कैसे? थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेट करोगे तो समझ में आएगा, अंडरस्टैंड भी करोगे डेफिनेटली, और अगर याद रख पाए तो डेफिनेटली मेहनत भी आपकी सफल हो जाएगी यहां लाइव लेक्चर अटेंड करने की. इफ आई एम सेइंग आई एम टेकिंग वन पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन विच इज करेक्ट, पहले एक काम करते हैं, रॉन्ग वाला ऑप्शन ले लेते हैं. ये वाला ले लिया मैंने 7, पहला वाला 17 I have taken. If I am taking starting from 17, I am checking what I am searching 80. If I am searching 80, 17 say which side you will go? Right side. If you are going right side from 17, all the values you scan, all the values from here to here scan. You just check out every value should be greater than 17. Why? From root you have gone towards right subtree to search 80. So if you are going towards right subtree to search 80, whatever the keys you will encounter in your path, every key should be greater than 17. Tabhi to, then only you will be having tree as BST. Then only you will be having tree as BST. So you have checked here 17, say if you are going to search 80, you have gone towards right direction. In the right direction you have seen all the keys are greater than 17 or not. Check out. क्या सारी values 17 से greater है? No. You encounter one value which is not greater than 17. यहीं पे आपका ये केस खत्म. Gone. Immediately you can say that this particular sequence is wrong. Gone. Okay, now this particular option A, let's check it out. Option A, let's check it out. We are starting with 9. If we are starting with the 9, then 9, say which side you will go to search 80? Right side. Every value should be greater than 9. Yes, it is there. No problem. Then go for 120. From 120, which side you will go to search 80? Left side. Means every value after 120 should be in the left subtree of 120 should be lesser than 120. 120 से छोटा होना चाहिए. Every value is lesser than 120. Yes. So till now no problem. Now you have gone towards 12. From 12 to search 80 you will go towards right. Every value should be greater than 12. Fine. No problem. Then you have switched to next one, 58. From 58 to search 80 you go towards right. Every value should be greater than 58. Yes. No problem. No. Yes, there is a problem. Problem है 58 के right में 50 आया wrong. There can be multiple problems. Yes, there is a problem. और भी आगे problem आएगी. Look at this. From 88 you will search 80 in the left side. Every value should be less than 88. Fine. From 81 if you search 80, it should be in the left side. Every value should be less than 81. No, it's not. सारी values 81 से छोटी नहीं है. Wrong. So you need to just check out all the values, remaining values, and once you will scan, you can easily understand. So if you are going towards left, every value after that should be lesser than that value. If not, problem, wrong. If yes, then go to the next step till the last level. Understood or not? Did you understand this particular feature or not? I want that you should understand this particular thing. If you will understand, then this particular type of questions you will be able to solve very easily. I will tell you, in the gate also 2 times they have asked this particular type of question, and I have given so many interviews, so many coding interviews in my college. When I was in IISc Bangalore, in my college, when I was going for my campus drives, around 13 interviews I have appeared in, and among those few of the interviews were having some same kind of questions in the written test. So this particular trick can help you over there too. अगर आपको समझ में आया है, रामबाण समझ में आया है, तो आप सबसे पहले तो अगर वीडियो लाइक नहीं किया है तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, और ये वीडियो को फिर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जरूर शेयर करें, सो दैट दे ऑल्सो कैन लर्न इट. शेयर करो, आपको कुछ अच्छा कंटेंट मिलेगा उनकी तरफ से, तो वो भी आपको शेयर करेंगे. ओके फाइन. चलिए, तो आई थॉट टू हैव मोर थिंग्स in the BST, but we could not have. Let's do one thing. Those all the questions we will keep for the next session. In the next session we will talk about insertion in BST. Then we will see what in-order traversal can have in the BST. Then I will explain you one thing, that only if pre-order or only if post-order traversal is given in binary search tree, how can you draw the tree? एंड दैट अगेन सेम जो आज मैंने बताया है, वैसे ही आपको 3 अलग अलग मेथड से मैं बताऊंगा कि हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ द ट्री विद ओनली प्री ऑर्डर और ओनली पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल ऑफ अ बीएसटी. आई विल टेल यू दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग टुमारो, सो डोंट मिस दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन. Okay, this particular session you don't miss, so that you will learn a really good technique to draw the tree. And once the BST in order and all are done, then we will see the deletion in the BST, and after that we will go for AVL tree. And once AVL tree is done, we will go for graph data structure, and then we will go for hashing data structure. All these things are in the line, right? Okay, so we will see these particular topics in the near future. What is tomorrow's session timing? Tomorrow I am going to have 12 p.m. problem solving. Yes, questions on BST. I'm going to solve PYQs on BST on the YouTube. And same this particular 7 p.m. session tomorrow, in which we will continue the discussion on binary search tree. Thank you so much for all those statements. I would ask you one more thing. If you really like the sessions, if you really enjoy the session, once the sessions are done, once the streaming is done, please come here on the same video and drop your comments, so that whenever the students who will be watching that particular lecture in offline mode, they can understand that what's there in that particular video if you drop the comments. Fine. Okay, this particular team is going to have a new educator very soon. This particular new educator will teach you 2 courses, algorithm and digital logic. Who is the educator and why, when he will teach, where he will teach what, this particular thing will be revealed very soon, within 2 days. So stay tuned with our official channel. On this particular official channel, we will have a particular event dropped, so that you will be able to join us over there in the launching event of the educator, and you will be able to know that what he will teach and when he will teach. Okay, and then support all these educators who are working hard enough for your quality education. We are providing you free education in terms of this YouTube classes. You need to do just few things. Subscribe the channel, like every video, share the videos if you love it, share the playlist, share the channel link, so that most of the students of this country can be connected with us. And if you want to be connected with us on Facebook, you can join these Facebook pages. And one more thing you need to do is, if you have friends in other departments like EC, IN or electrical, recommend them a channel Creatrix. If you have the friends in mechanical, recommend them this channel. If you have friends in civil, recommend them this channel. If friends are preparing for computer science, anything, then recommend this your own channel. This is your own channel. You need to make this particular channel available to maximum number of students, accessible for maximum number of students. That's your responsibility. We are at your service only. We are just service providers. You are the owners who are owning us. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. We will drop the PDF very soon on that particular Telegram channel. Keep sharing the lectures. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe the channel. Keep your notifications turned on. Every time you come here for any live session or offline session, please like the videos. Happy learning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining here. We will meet soon. Till then, have a nice remaining day. Bye bye.